Do you know who's the one restricting your Instagram's growth? It's you. Yes, it's not your content. It's you and your followers, or I'll say your ghost followers. Want to learn how to fix this problem and reach the heights of social media you were dreaming of? So gather around your device screen because you're watching Tech Zeel. My name is Himanshu and let's do it. First thing first, why we need to remove these spam, dead, bot or ghost followers from our account. This is a great misconception from our own side that if we increase our followers, then our account will also grow. But it's not true. Even if we increase our followers with even unfair means, then after seeing a great following, people start following us organically and will engage with our content too. But that's not the truth. Not even a single percent. See, Instagram's algorithm says, suppose you have 1,000 followers, then you have posted a content, a video or a picture. What Instagram will do, it will first send it to a percentage of your followers, like it will send it to 50 or 100 of them and check the response. Now, if you have those spam followers, then there's a great chance that when Instagram sends that content to them, and since they are not active ones, they won't engage with it, and which according to the algorithm will state your content is not good enough, and ultimately it will not send it to the further people. Even if they are following you or not following you, it will not gonna emerge on the explore page, your for you page, and that content will become a dead content. I hope now you know why it's important to remove those followers. So let's get back to the work, how to remove them. Guys, it's a really good and quick method to remove them, and just open up your Instagram. Also, earlier we need to use some third-party apps for this procedure, but now it's within Instagram and it's officially announced. So open up your Instagram. Now tap on your profile icon, then from the three dots go to your follow and invite friends. Here on the top you'll find the first option of filter flagged followers. Just enable it and request for flagged followers. If you're not getting that option of flagged followers, just check if your Instagram is updated or not. If not, then go to your Play Store or App Store and update it first. Now, get back to your profile and tap on your followers. Here, you can see this option of flagged followers, or you can see them separately by swiping this side. Coming back to the followers, tap on this flagged followers option. Here you can clearly see it's written that you can remove spam or irrelevant accounts from your followers. And here you have the option of remove all. Just tap on that and remove those ghost followers who are hindering your way of growth. And here you remove all those followers who are just increasing your follower count but not engaging with it and restricting the growth of your account. And that's how you have removed all those spam and dead followers from your following in a bulk at just one click. That's all in this video, and if you find this video useful and informative, just give it a thumbs up, share with your friends who are facing the same problem, comment down your thoughts, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll meet you in the next one.